Yeah, good day everyone. Welcome to my channel. Here today I'll be discussing on how to calculate pips on XAUSD gold. So before proceeding, please if you are new here, you are new on my channel, please do well to subscribe, to hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell in order to be notified anytime I drop a new video here. Thank you. So how to calculate pips on XAUSD gold. Now, first of all, let's look at what pipette is. What is a pipette? A pipette represents the fraction of a pip and has a value of 1:10 of a pip. It has 1%, 1:10 of a pip. That's a pipette. Now, what's a pip? A pip is the unit of measurement to express the change in value between two currencies. A pip is the unit of measurement to express the change in value between two currencies. Now, let's move on. Now, let's look at example. Let's look at pipette example. Let's look at pipette example. Now, from here, look at example one here. Say if XAUSD move from current price of 1690.50 to 1690.51, from 1690.50 to 1690.51. Now, that zero has increased to 1 now. That means XAUSD has raised by zero point zero 0.01 USD, zero point zero 0.01 USD, which is equals to one pipette, which is equal to one pipette in value. So that 0.01 from 0 from 5.50 to 0.51, that means XAUSD has raised by 0.01 USD. Now look at this example again. If XAUSD move from 169.50 to 169.0.52, that means XAUSD has rise by 0.02 USD, which is equal to 2 pipettes in value. Now look at the third one here, the same example. Now if XAUSD move from 1690.50 to 1690.53, that means XAUSD has rise by 0.03 USD, which is equal to 3 pipettes in value. That's example, pipette example. Now let's move to the next one. Next slide there. Pip example. Now if XAUSD move from 1690.00 to 1690.10, that means XAUSD has rise by 0.10 USD. Now look at this. The former example, the last example we just explained with the pipette. The second figure after the decimal point represents pipette. So that's where pipette started from. So pip starts from first figure after the decimal point. So that's how it's moved. That's how it's being calculated. Now look at the next example here. If XAUSD move from 1690.00 to 1690.20, that means XAUSD has rise by 2.20 USD. Has rise by 0.20 USD, which is equals to 2 pips in value. Now look at the third one here. If XAUSD move from 1690.00 to 1690.30, that means XAUSD has rise by 0.30 USD, which is equals to 3 pips in value. So like that. That's how it's being calculated. Now let's look at the next example here. So how many pipettes makes one pip? How many pipettes make one pip? Now 10 pipettes make one pip. 10 pipettes make one pip. Example, let's count together. Let's count. Now look at here. First one here, we have 1650.01. Note, I told you, look at this one, the last one written in gold with gold color. So that's pipette. That represents pipette. Now look at the last one here. So last one here, which makes pip a pip, is the first figure after the decimal point. Now here the pipette is second figure after the decimal point. Now look at, let's count together here. 1650.01 equals to 1 pipette. 1650.02 equals to 2 pipettes. 1650.03 equals to 3 pipettes. Now so on, 4 pipettes. 5 pipette, 6 pipette, 7 pipette, 8 pipette, 9 pipette, then the last one is what oh, we have 1 pip. 1 pip, look at 1 pip, 0.10 makes 1 pip. 0.09, 0.08, 0.7, those are pipettes. 10, this is a pip. Now look at the next slide. Let's go to the next slide here. So pip calculation. Look at more example on pips calculation. This is pip. Before the one we did now, well, the one we did earlier, the one I explained earlier is pipettes. Now this is pip now here. Now look at pip example. 1650.10 equals to 1 pip. 1650.20. The one written in gold, please just notice those figures written in gold after the decimal point. That's where pip is being calculated from. We have 1 pip here, 2 pip, 0.30, that's 3 pip, 0.40, that's 4 pips. 1650.50 equals to 5 pip. The next one, 0.60, 6 pips, 7 pips, 8 pips, 9 pips. Then the last one here, 165, 1.00, that's 10 pips. Now before the decimal point, note the gold, the one the figure written in gold with gold before the decimal point. That's where tenth is being calculated from. So 1.0 equals to 10 pip. If it is 1.2, it will be 12 pip. Okay, if it is 1.4, it will be 4 pips, like that. So that's how it's being calculated. Let's move to the next slide here. So here we have 1601.00. I told you earlier that that's 10 pips. Now the next one here, 2.00, that's 20 pips. 1603.00, that's 30 pips. 4.00, that's what, 40 pips. Okay, next one, 50 pips, 60 pips, 70 pips, 80 pips, 90 pips. Then the last one is what, 100 pips. If you notice here, 1610.00, that's what, 100 pips. That's 10.0, that's 100. Then the last zeros represent pipette value. Okay, now let's move to the next slide again here. So let's try and work on a live example here. Look at this example. So let's calculate this together. For example, let's say how to calculate this example of on how to calculate pips. Now let's say we want to buy, that is, we want to go long on gold, we want to long gold. So let's say the current price of gold is 1655.50. Now our take profit level is, which is TP, is 1665.50. Then our stop loss level is what, 1652.50. Now let's calculate it. First of all, let's calculate our SL pips, that is the stop loss pips. How many pips are we risking? So let's say the current price. So if you are buying, so since we are buying, I wanted to calculate our SL, that is stop loss pips. So we first bring up the what, we first bring up the current price. Current price is 1655.50. Then stop loss price is what, 1652.50. Then we subtract these two, we subtract the stop loss level from the what, current level. If you current price level, if we subtract it, we are going to have 0003.30. Just simple arithmetic subtraction. If you subtract this from this, it's going to have 0, 0. This 2, 5 minus 2, we have 0. 5 minus 5, 0. Sorry, 5 minus 2, we have 3. 5 minus 5, we have 0. 6 minus 6, we have 0. Then 1 minus 1, we have what, 0, which is equals to what, this is 3.00, which is equivalent to 30 pips, which means we are risking 30 pips on this trade, if you have to take this trade. Now the next slide here, more example. Let's say now we have to, that's our stop loss fix that we've just calculated. Now let's try and calculate our TP level, our TP level pips. So now, so if we want to calculate our TP pips, so we bring our take profit price first, so which is 1665.50. Then current price of the market is what, 1655.50. Okay, now let's subtract it from each other. Now this one, 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 5 again, we have what, 0. Then 6 minus 5, we have 1. 6 minus 6, we have 0. 1 minus 1, we have 0, which is equals to 100 pips. That is, we are risking 30 pips to get what, 100 pips. Now let's look at the next example here. So more examples. So second example, let's say we want to sell gold. That is, we want to short gold, XAUSD. So let's say the current price of the market is 1655.50. Now take profit level is 1645.50. Then the stop loss level is what? 1657.50. Now let's first calculate our stop loss level first. Stop loss pips first. So let's calculate our stop loss pips first. Now, if we want to calculate our stop loss pips now, since we are shorting gold. So the stop loss level we come first, okay? So which is 1657.50, then followed by the current price 1655.50. If we are to deduct this, we are going to have 0 minus 0, we have 0, 5 minus 0, we have 0, 5 minus 7, 7 minus 5, we have 2, 5 minus 5, we have 0, 0, 0. Then which means we are risking 20 pips here. 20 pips to, so that's this. So let's calculate our take profit pips. So if you are to calculate our take profit pips now, the current price will come first. So the TP level, which is the current price, the take profit level we follow. Then we subtract the take profit price from the current price. So if we are to subtract it the same way, we are going to have 0 minus 0, 5 minus 5, 0, 5 minus 5, 0 again, 5 minus 4, we have 1, 6 minus 6, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, which means we are having 100 pips, which is equal to 100 pips. 10.00, which is equal to 100 pips. So which means we are risking 20 pips to get 100 pips. So that's simple way on how to calculate pips on gold. Very simple way and very straightforward on how to calculate pips on gold. So thanks for watching. Do well. Please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and then turn on the post notification bell in order to get notified anytime I release a new video here. And don't forget to like and comment anything you, if there is anything you want me to discuss here again, any topic you would like me to discuss, so do where to comment on my comment section. So I'm going to take it from there, then do the necessary things again. Thanks very much. Much love. Thank you. Bye.